we have with us Jim Deloisio. He's a structural engineer, and he's just an all-around great guy.
There's always more stuff. The more you learn, the more you realize you got to learn.
When did you start to really noodle on this idea of thermal bridging?
When I first got my infrared camera, I couldn't believe the energy losses from the shelf angles and other areas. So it's an awakening. I'm sorry, what was your question? My God, is that my project? What have I done with my details? We have to bring carbon emissions down. To me, therefore, we have to put a price on carbon so that all of the little and big decisions that we make every day as individuals, as companies, and as society take it into account, this impact on carbon. The energy inefficient and carbon intensive ways of design and construction have to change.
So who's your hero?
Just
Who should we
one.
all be following and learning more about?
The current Structural Engineering Institute Sustainability Committee co-chair, Mark Webster. He works at Simpson, Gumperz, and Hager. He's done, I think, more to advance understanding of carbon emissions of building structures than anyone that I know of. And again, that's what we need right now.
Is there anything that we have not asked you about that you just desperately want our viewers to know?
We have this premise that buildings are doing fine just the way they are. The system of design and construction is working well. It's not. It's really flawed. Okay, people aren't paying attention to the energy code. They're not tightening up their envelopes like they have to. They're leaking a lot of energy. They're blooming a tremendous amount of carbon emissions. And again, we have to get it down to zero.